Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a testing out new products makeup tutorial. So I've picked up a few items of makeup recently over the last weeks, months, while I was in America and in the UK that I want to try out today. Not that many new things, but I am going to do a makeup look anyway. I think there's about 6 or 7 new things that I want to try out in today's makeup look. So yeah, let's just get started. First of all, I want to try this primer by Colourpop. Haven't tried it yet. It's the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. So I'm going to apply that with my Real Techniques stippling brush. Okay, so this primer stinks. Not a nice smell at all. Don't know what it is, but it feels really nice on the skin. So I can look past it. It is really bad smell, but gosh, I can smell it on myself. But it feels nice, so we'll see. What is that smell? Never smelled that. Wow, that's a really weird smell. Okay, so foundation, I'm using the Max Factor Lasting Performance Touch Proof Foundation in the shade 100 Fair. And I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe foundation brush to apply it. For concealers, I don't have any new concealers either, same as the foundation, so I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter concealers in the shade Fair Neutral 10 and Fair 08, mix them together. And then I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. Now for powder, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. It's not new. It's not a powder that's brand new for me. I have used this over the years, but it's in brand new packaging. So I'm going to see how the packaging works for me, because the last packaging I hated. It was a mess. And this is also a mess. So I don't think this packaging works any better, to be honest. Maybe a little bit better actually, because it's a bigger... Oh, I forgot to say I'm using my Morphe G35 to set my eyes. I think that the packaging is slightly better because it's bigger. Last time, in the old packaging, it was tiny and it was hard to get a brush in. I think this is definitely better for that. But it's still, like, look, it's really messy. So, yeah. But I do think it is slightly better, so that's good. And then I'm using my Morphe E2 brush to set the rest of my face. Now I also don't have a new bronzer, so I'm just going to use the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in the shade Sunlight, using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe powder brush. Now I do have a new blush to try. I bought this out in America when I went. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Blush in the shade Thanks for the Memories. So I haven't tried this one yet. Very nice colour. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush. The colour is really, really nice. So yeah, I like that one. I also have a new highlighter that I want to try out. This is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter in the shade Be My Highlight. I also got this from America. And I'm going to apply this with my Sigma Tapered Highlighter F35 brush. I love that. That is a super natural but lovely, lovely highlighter. Oh my gosh, that's probably one of my new favorite highlighters. You can still see the glow, but it is super natural and it matches my skin tone perfectly. So I love this. This was like $2 or $3, so and it's my new favorite highlighter. Love it. Okay, now I'm going to do my eyes, so I'm going to zoom you in. Okay, I'm going to use a new eyeshadow palette that I haven't tried out yet. This is the Revolution Forever Dynamic Animal Ego eyeshadow palette. Never used it before. And it's very neutral, subtle shades. So I am going to be doing a very natural look today. So first of all, I'm going to go in very lightly with this shade. Sorry, I don't know if you can see this shade through the crease on my Morphe 441 brush. And I am going to go in with a light hand because it's quite a dark shade. And then I'm going to take this dark shade in the corner on my Morphe 412 brush, also with quite a light hand, and I'm going to pop that on the outer corners. Now I'm going to take those same two shades on my lower lash line using my Morphe E2 brush. And then I'm going to go in with this shade here on my little finger all over the lid. Oh, I like that shade. That's nice. So I really like this eyeshadow palette. First of all, it's nice and small, perfect for traveling, popping in your handbag, wherever you go. It's really affordable. I think it was only about $6.99. And it's got really nice shades in it. I think that the eyeshadow look I've created today is really nice. It's really natural, really neutral, really easy. And the shades are really blendable. And yeah, I just really like this. Now I don't have a new eyebrow gel, so I'm using the NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. I also don't have a new eyeliner, so I'm using the NYX Glide On Slide On Brown Perfection eyeliner. But I do have a new mascara to try. I actually bought this months and months ago. I didn't even buy it. I had it for free. Like when you spend a certain amount in Boots, they give you like free things. So I had this for free and I've never used it before, and only now I'm getting around to trying it. So it's the Maybelline The Colossal Go Extreme Mascara in the shade Very Black. So I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tweezerman eyelash curlers, and then I'm going to try out this mascara. So this is what the wand looks like. Okay, so now this mascara is not for me, unfortunately. I don't like the shape of the wand, but it also didn't come out very well. It didn't curl my lashes, it didn't lengthen my lashes, didn't thicken them. It didn't really do much for them. It just made them black. So I don't think I'll be using this again. But it was free, so that's fine. And it's not terrible. I'm just very fussy with mascaras, and I have so many more other ones that I prefer. So for me, this is a no. And then finally for lipstick, I'm going to use this moisturising lip tint that I got from Bath and Body Works in America. I wanted to try it out. It's in the shade Perfectly Pink. It's not really like a lipstick, it's kind of like a moisturising chapstick type thing with a bit of colour. So let's use this. Oh yeah, I really like that. That's right up my street. I love a nice moisturising chapstick type thing, and if they have colour, even better. So yeah, love this. Okay, so that completes my testing out new makeup tutorial. I hope that you liked it. I loved most of the new products that I tried. The only thing I didn't like was the mascara. Everything else I absolutely loved, which is really good, really successful. And like I said, most of the things were from America as well. So yeah, this was a very successful trying out new makeup in my opinion. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!